Deep inside the human brain, far smaller than neurons, far quieter than synapses, lies a hidden world. A world of tiny spiraling structures called microtubules. Most scientists say they're just scaffolding, the cell's internal skeleton. But a pair of thinkers, Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff, believed something far stranger, that these microscopic lattice might be the birthplace of consciousness itself. Imagine a young neuroscientist named Mara, working late in her dim lab. She'd spent years studying the brain's electrical storms, the firing of neurons, the chatter of synapses, but something never added up. Consciousness felt too unified, too instantaneous, too mysterious. One night, while reviewing new research, she stumbled onto a theory called Orchestrated Objective Reduction OR for short. It claimed that consciousness wasn't just computation. It was quantum. And the quantum stage was the microtubule. The idea sounded impossible. Quantum effects inside the warm, wet brain? Yet new experiments kept appearing. Some showed that anesthetics drugs that switch consciousness off bind directly to microtubules, disrupting their function. Others hinted that microtubules might sustain quantum vibrations, even at room temperature. If true, it meant these tiny structures weren't just support beams. They were resonators, microscopic instruments humming with quantum possibilities. Mara imagined each microtubule as a glowing helix filled with flickering quantum states, billions of them, all across the brain, subtly linked. When their vibrations aligned, consciousness emerged like a symphony rising from an orchestra pit. When anesthetics disrupted them, the music fell silent. She leaned back in her chair, stunned. If consciousness truly arose from quantum events inside microtubules, then every thought, memory, and moment of awareness was tied to the deepest fabric of reality. Not just biology, but physics. Space-time itself. The theory was controversial, even ridiculed. Many said the brain was too noisy for quantum coherence. But Mara couldn't shake the feeling that she was glimpsing something profound. A bridge between mind and matter. Between the self and the universe. As she shut down the lab lights, she whispered to herself, "If the mind is quantum, then maybe we're all connected in ways we've barely begun to imagine." And in the silent dark, the microtubules within her own neurons continued their quiet, shimmering dance.